An earthquake of 4.1 magnitude on the Richter scale hit Doda district in Jammu and Kashmir. Strong tremors were felt in Doda district of Jammu and Kashmir on Saturday. Earthquake of magnitude 4.1 occurred on the 16th of January 2021, 22 hours 1 minute and 4 seconds IST, length 33.03 long, 75.93, depth 10 kilometers, location 93 kilometers A of Katra, Jammu and Kashmir, according to the National Center for Seismology (NCS). No casualties due to the earthquake have been reported so far. Earlier on January 11, an earthquake of magnitude 5.1 had struck Kishwar district of the Union Territory. More details awaited.